Hello and welcome to Cheque, Please HQ. I'm Hayden Dibb, the creator of Cheque, Please. Cheque, Please is a channel grown out of my love for food, cooking and hospitality. Melbourne is arguably one of the greatest food cities in the world. It's why Cheque, Please was born. It was born out of the idea of sharing all the incredible stories and people who work in this hospitality industry. This space is a love letter to Melbourne's hospitality industry. It's also a gift from me to all the people I've worked with over the past couple of years who have been so encouraging and so inviting and have become family to me. You're probably asking why you're standing in an empty warehouse. I'm building a test kitchen. I'm building a space for myself and people that I know and people that I don't know to come and be creative and to cook and to make ideas a reality. Obviously, I haven't started yet. I'm still very much in the process of getting started, but I hope that this space can be somewhere people can just be themselves and be creative and help bring ideas to life. A space like this has been on the cards for me for a very long time, and I'm jumping into the deep end. I'm fucking scared and I don't know how this is gonna go, but I hope to take you all along that journey with me, the good, the bad, the ups, the downs, and hopefully we can make something beautiful here, only a few Ks from where I grew up. So I'm really excited about bringing a space like this to the community and the area that I was raised in. So yeah, I'm not going to babble on for too long. I just wanted to introduce myself and, you know, show where we're starting, because I don't know where we're going, but I'm excited. Next time you see me, this place will be under construction, hopefully. That's all. I'm gonna get out of here. You guys are good here? Sweet. Light on or off? Off? Okay. It's pretty cold in here, you should rug up. Door closed, I'm guessing. Yep. And then